Hey, I'm James from J Technology, and we are here back at CES 2015. We're here at the Intel booth, and we have Eric Romo from Altspace VR. He's the founder and CEO, and he's going to talk about what we have back here with the Oculus, and you have several cameras and the laptops, and
lots of stuff going on.
A lot of stuff going on. Eric?
So Altspace, we're showing a social virtual reality application. So people are connected together in this virtual space, and they're interacting in a social way. So in particular, we have 4 people here set up, and we've got more people back in our office in California. And for all those 5 people, they actually feel like they're in the same place. And in fact, if these 4 people were in 4 different places, they'd feel like they're in the same place too. So they can interact in a social environment, VR, they can look around, they can see things. And then we focus on nonverbal communication there. And so what you'll see is when you're in that environment, you can see a person's head move around, you can see who are they trying to make eye contact with, who are they looking at, and then we've integrated with the Intel RealSense camera, and so now you can see your hands as well. And so we've added another degree, another level of nonverbal communication into that virtual environment. And at the end, we have a little special thing where they play virtual volleyball together.
So I noticed you have 2 cameras, one camera on the laptop, one camera up on these pedestals. Can you explain more about those?
Yeah, absolutely. So the camera on the pedestal is the positional tracker for the Oculus DK2, and so that gets your head position and orientation as you move your head around in space. And the camera in the bezel of the laptop, that's actually Intel's RealSense camera. And what RealSense does is it tracks the position of your hand and your fingers and your digits. And so you can see your hands for the first time in a virtual environment. People do things like wave in VR for the first time and do virtual high fives and virtual fist bumps, some other virtual gestures we won't get into. But it's been a really fun thing to see what people do with it.
So is this just a, I guess, prototype, or is this going to be available to the public?
So we're doing a series of closed beta tests. We'll open the product up for a weekend. We did one a few weeks ago. We had about 100 people that we let into the product from 15 different countries who use the product. So to give you a taste, we're doing a 2-minute demo here. The average user during that demo weekend was about an hour. Okay, so we're just giving you a little slice of what we do at Altspace. And what we focus on actually in those demos and in our product is shared experiences around streaming media. So our product is a kind of built-in shareable web browser. And so people do things like be in a virtual space together with 20 or 30 other people, look at a gigantic screen, a movie theater sized screen, feel like you're there with that screen, and then watch funny YouTube videos together. Because it's a lot more fun to be in an environment watching funny things when other people are laughing, other people are interacting. Same deal with going to watch sports, right? It's a lot more fun to watch sports when you're in a crowded bar or something where lots of people are yelling and screaming. And that's the experience we provide at Altspace, is people getting together and feeling like they're a part of the same thing together.
So is any of these products going to be available anytime soon?
Yeah, so our software is something that if you get on our beta list at altvr.com, altvr.com, we have continuous beta tests that are going on, and we'll let more and more people in over time. Over the next few months, there'll be lots of people in there.
Any like price range when it actually all comes out?
Yeah, our software is going to be free. And so we think VR can be a new communications medium where people can really connect in a much different way, with a much more natural way than they can in an audio or video chat. And so the software will be free, and we'll find ways to make money hopefully after that.
Hey, sounds great. Thank you, Eric.
Yeah, thank you.